Oh, I'm on.
I said that. I said in the front.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice
I thought
shot.
you meant like in this area.
Nice shot.
You nice shot. Look at your shit.
Ooh.
That's a crispy swipe.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, brothers. It's my guys. Thank you, brothers. Appreciate it. They say it ain't good till it go in, though. Hey, I'm gonna try. You guys have YouTube? Yeah. I'm actually a YouTube golfer. Yeah, my name is Jay Styles. It's called KrispySwipes Golf. Check it out. With a K. KrispSwipes. What? It's a bad question. Are you with the light skins or what? What is it? Crispy Swipes. That's me. That's me. Check me out. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you. Thank you, fellas. I appreciate you. Definitely. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna try. I'll try. Okay, we're still recording.
Yeah.
Got your par?
Yes.
Good job. See if I can hit this.
Hey! Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like
me,
they long to be close to you. Thanks, guys.
That's the song we sing after we get a birdie. All right, fellas. Thanks for letting us go through. Appreciate you guys, man. You too. Thanks for following me, fellas. And that's how you do it, fellas.
Woo-wee.
That's how you do it, guys.
That's why we call him Birdman.
I love this guy. Yeah, man. Like, that's how you get your fucking followers. They get to watching you. You get to playing good.
So your thing broke.
Yeah, it broke on me earlier, but it's just out of whack.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man, just get you
and I don't have time to fix it right now. So
get one of them little sockets, put it on your cart.
I'm gonna do everything you said.
That's easy.
Do not trip.
Yeah.
I am going to do it. I'm gonna get my cart.